guys, I'm back today with another video. Now before I get started all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And we're back with another bob, but HerGivenHair has entered the chat, so I'm gonna make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. This is what their packaging looks like. You know, we love the nice black sleek packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and take the bow off because I have not opened this up. Do I know what's in the box? Yes. Have I opened it up? Not yet, so we're gonna open it up together. It does come packaged up like this. I just have a booklet about the products, how to take care of the hair, and more information. And then they did include a satin bag that you can store your unit in when you are done wearing it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. We're gonna slide this off. They included a removable adjustable elastic band, and it looks like some extra combs. All that out of the way, and then let's take the net off and get into this. This is their 5x5 Kinky blowout bob wig. This one is in a natural color, and I do have a cap size small, y'all. I am loving the color on this because it looks super realistic. This is also 12 inches in length. What the parting space looks like, it looked like they went ahead and bleached those knots. The lace is still attached, not a big deal for me. You do get 2 combs on the side. You also get an area for the removable adjustable elastic band. You do get a comb in the nape area. You get adjustable straps, and they also hook you up with a drawstring. I have a cap size small. I am just going to adjust the drawstring in the nape area because I'm scared if I put that removable elastic band on that it might be too tight. And usually with HerGivenHair, their smalls are pretty snug on my head, and I don't want it to be uncomfortable. And because they have the drawstring on the inside versus being right here at the bottom, I think this is going to help out also. I've noticed I like them right here instead of right back in the back because it doesn't bunch up as much. I know, small head problems, but I be trying to make sure it's gonna work. I can't really tell if I need to go in with any lace tint. So what I'm gonna do first is put the unit on. We're gonna see how it looks before I do any extra customizations. And plus I wanna make sure it fits, so let's try it on first. So this is what the unit is looking like on. The fit on this is really, really nice. Like, I have no complaints, no issues. There's no bunching in the cap. There's no bunching in the nape area. And it is fitting really good up front. And everything is just laying down really flat. It's very comfortable by my ear. You can kind of see where the band is. Yes, my sideburns are out. I don't care about none of that because it's a closure wig. But yeah, everything is fitting so far so good. I love the length on this. Like, the length is really, really nice. It's cut very well at the ends. I don't have any complaints about that. This is what the parting space looks like. It comes parted as a middle part, but you can move it over to the side. I will say it does feel pretty thick, okay, up in here, but keep in mind this is a kinky blowout texture, not a yucky texture. My only thing is the hairline definitely could be plucked out more. If you like it like this straight out of the box, you can keep it like this. I'm probably gonna go in and customize mine a little bit more just to kind of open it up, just because it does come off a little bit darker, and I want it to be thinned out just a little bit more, especially because of how thick and full this is. But y'all, this is okay. This is looking good so far. Y'all know with HerGivenHair, I'm used to doing like their curly or coily wigs, so it's kind of nice to be able to switch it up. I think I've maybe done 1 or 2 kinky straight wigs. Don't quote me on that because I've done so many units, sometimes I be forgetting. But this is really nice, and I do appreciate that this is just a closure. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you my final thoughts when it comes to this bob wig.